What is going on, everyone? So today I finally fixed my window. So it would go up, and then as soon as you let it up, and then immediately go back down like halfway. So I fixed it today, so I had to Google it, research it. So, and then when you let it down, it'll stop like right about there. So I fixed it, so Googled it. It said hold down the down button. So you hold it down for 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it automatically went all the way down. So then I tried to let it up again, and then it would go down halfway, so it didn't reset at the top. So when I had it up at the top, I held it up for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I let it back down. Check. Let it back up. Check. So all fixed, all done. This is on a 2010 Toyota Prius, Generation 3, Gen 3. So I am very happy about this. This is a win. Don't have to get a new window. Don't have to get a new regulator. Don't have to take it in. So Google saved me a diagnostic fee and all that other stuff that a Toyota dealership or whoever mechanic would charge. So this is a win. Very happy. So now I can let the window down, no problem. I can let the window up without it coming back down. So yes, very happy. And while you're at it, go hit the like and subscribe. All right, we'll see you in another video. Peace.